birthday, and she said she wants what kind of cake? Oreo cake.
Hey, let me do
So,
it by hand.
about to make Oreo cake. Oreo.
We got the tape
Oreo.
mixed in.
These are all the flour needed.
We need this.
Need this. We need all this, and we need this.
And
Is
the
this 6 or 9? And we need this. So everything ready.
And of course we need. And of course we need the bowl to mix it.
Okay, so let's wait and see how this is going to come out. Stay tuned. Happy
birthday, Nisha.
Okay, time to make Benita's birthday cake. So let's pour.
I shaped it back into a cookie. Can I help?
Yes, help with this.
I shaped it back into a cookie.
Bria want to help her sister.
Let me help.
No, it's your birthday. You're not supposed to do anything. Mama, no, we're opening just this. Mama, no, just this.
Oh. So can I help her real quick?
This.
Give me the box. Let me
Bring
trash it.
scissors, trash it.
Yes.
Bring scissors for me, boy.
Give me
See,
help.
this one cannot do anything.
Go use your teeth. It's my birthday stuff.
This is scissors go. We're not
This.
there anymore.
So this is half.
I want to help. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This looks good. This looks like sand. Oh, my God. I love it. I love it.
Everybody is busy.
Especially us.
Let me video the birthday girl.
Oh, God. Guys, it's spilling. Help me. Yay.
Let me use it to
Wait, let me
blend.
hurry it. I just gotta use scissors. Oh.
Mama, look at what you're doing, though. Bria.
Wait, stop, let it go. Hey, I want to help. I want to pour it in.
No,
Please,
if your hands should be done.
I want to pour it in.
Yeah, pour.
Four.
Keep shaking a little bit. Your hand should not be too high.
Shake it. No.
Hey, whoa, your hand should be inside shaking.
Hey.
Children can never be careful. They must still make mistake. And that is how they learn.
That's a
Whether
lot.
we like it or
That's
not.
That's a lot.
So this
My name is considered a boy name in Africa.
Bone?
My name is considered a boy name in Africa.
Yeah, Hillary.
What?
Ooh,
Is that
look
what?
satisfying. Is that oil?
Bunny man.
Yeah.
No,
No,
Hillary.
Hillary. Wow, look at the inside. It
Hillary.
looks pretty.
Ooh.
Misha put some in. That did it. Too much. Yeah. Let me crack it. Ooh. Is that good? It's time to crack.
What's that? Is that butter?
Time to crack it.
Or
Oil. Crack it.
see Bria's eyes.
Ooh, look at it. Ah!
what's this? Oil? Oh, it's oil.
Yeah, this oil. It's very not oil.
Oh, yeah.
Look, cracking oh, my toe. Why does that look like yolk? Ew. It looks like a tiny egg. Look how cracked.
It looks like if you put some butter. Shake it real good.
So who's going to pour?
Me.
Everybody, let
Wait,
it
I
let
want
it do
to
this.
come.
Thank you.
Everybody's going to do one.
For what?
Pour
I'm
it.
doing the milk.
Okay, so let me do half.
Wait. I'm doing it.
So after that, girls, let's
Crack it.
crack the egg.
Oh, I don't know how to crack egg. This was excellent. Get it?
You put the shell here.
I
Let's
thought that was not cool.
Okay, I crack it on this.
Mama, the here like this.
Oh no, the shell got inside.
Don't worry,
That was from Benito.
we'll pick it.
That was from Benito.
The birthday girl is.
There's some over there too.
I shattered
It's okay.
them. I do not crack them. Oh no, it's a shell under. Get that shell. Wait, can I scoop it up?
I cracked mine.
Okay. Oh my god, look at this egg, Yoki.
Now Yoki, they found all the shell. I thought you want to fish out the shell for me.
I'm slipping off. Is there any more shell?
No.
Can I do something? I don't know kind of egg?
Oh, the shell. Oh, shell.
Delicious shell. Delicious. Wait, delicious?
Don't worry. It's
Mine is a perfect.
We don't even need to even do all this because this will do the work, right?
Or this.
So who wants to pour?
Me.
No, Hilary did before.
The bread.
Bread do.
I will do the mixing.
I did before. Ooh.
This is how you mix scrambled eggs.
Good job.
Y'all don't push me. Y'all don't shake me.
Who wants to do?
Me.
Yeah, come.
Oh, me.
Don't be scared. The birthday girl is baking her own cake.
Can I try? No, it's my birthday.
You should try definitely.
Just kidding.
Don't be scared. You have to keep still.
Spatula.
Can I try? My leg's itchy.
It smells good.
Move to this side. Eli.
We'll move. It smells good. But look it. No. It's not done yet. So just some oil. Delicious. Good. More cookies. Yummy. Can I try? 1, 2. Wait. 1, 2. 3. 1, 2.
Sorry.
Again. I want to use the bladder. No. I want the bladder. Me. I want the bladder. 1, 2, 3. Me. But it tastes more delicious than that and more. Be at the chef.
Yeah, the chef. No more is patchy out. April. I have another apron then, is this?
I know.
Look at be at the chef. Oh, come, let me do it. Don't worry, I'll fix it.
Yeah.
Action.
Who called me?
No one.
Somebody called.
Dad, did you call me? Oh, I thought someone called me.
Mama, come to.
Hey, I'd be a chef, so why can I not do it?
Someone called me, Dad. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing?
Apron job.
Put it inside this.
And the sink.
Can I get an apron?
Now, this one still won't take.
Not the whole thing, not the whole thing. It will electrocute you.
Oh, can I lick it?
But not the whole thing.
Let's do it.
I want to take one. Yummy.
Like this.
Just
Is it okay?
yes.
What?
Larry, you are blocking. Come to the front.
I can't.
Two rows. Okay.
I don't know. What if a big chunk coming through there?
It's okay.
I see that cream.
My hair is covered in cream.
Look to me.
So they leave their hand.
I remember when you used to get when we were eating Oreos and you say, "Oh guys, be careful! This is black, so it will mess up the carpet if it goes on there." I remember yours like that. Ah! It got on my hand. So now you're just calling.
You can watch it.
When you guys were younger.
Younger, I don't remember. Oh my gosh, I can't see it anymore. Oh my god! But they want to switch spots.
Gosh. Oreos and Oreos.
Yeah, Mama, come.
Oh,
Everybody wants to be seen. Even mommy wants to be seen. Even mommy wants to be seen.
Oreos.
oh my gosh, this is so nice.
Take.
Ooh, I have 3 Oreos at once.
I had one Oreo at once. Oh yeah, then it's crunchy that
I know. Give me that.
Hey.
That's
one more.
crunchy.
Me. Me.
Oh,
And cream.
oh, there's so much Oreos. Hunter, this cake is going to be delicious.
I just put in my hands so it can be more easy, y'all. I'm using one in my hands, but I need to mix it too.
Oh.
Guys, and guess what? You know you have
Go and start licking your hands.
That's good.
Look at this. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty.
I just washed my
That was delicious. That was delicious.
Good, it's my birthday.
The
We're
cake is
also
very
getting
rich.
cake. We're also still getting
Oh, why my hands smell like this?
Who wants to try?
Me.
Oh, look at the cookies and cream.
It's so heavy now.
Can I put, wait, can I? Oh, yeah, that I cannot. My hands are crummy. Can I try?
Try, your hand is creamy because I have not washed my Oreo hand. So you have to wash. Don't worry.
Ah, careful, careful.
I can't run it.
Maybe we might still use mixer. I don't know because.
Mine.
Oh no, I just washed my tail. Now my tail is starting to smell more terrible. No, soap. Have you ever heard of
That looks delicious. I can't wait to bake it.
So time to bake. Okay.
Make my day celebration.
Try to chase a number.
Put on.
Bye.
Bye.
Stay tuned for the next
Video.
stage of our cake. Bye bye.